Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, before I deal with all the issues themselves and the statement made by the Home Minister, I would like to express my deep admiration for the person who has unearthed all these facts, which are the subject matter of the discussion today. Stop. I am referring to one lecturer who is a research scholar in the Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics at Pune, and who in fact does not belong to this discipline. Stop. He is basically a scholar who studies agrarian legislation, and it is by chance that in the course of his own efforts in the field of agrarian legislation, he discovered that there are laws relating to agrarian matters in the state of Bihar which have been enforced through ordinances not once, not twice, not thrice, but scores of times, and not for a period of 6 months or 8 months or 1 year or 2 years, but to the extent of 13 years without the law being referred to the legislature at all. Stop para. And it is then that he pursued this matter and came up with this treatise, which is called the Repromulgation of Ordinances, a fraud on the Constitution of India. Stop. I have not seen any book dealing with a drab, dull subject of this kind during the last many years, which has received such rave reviews from every important paper and journal in the country. Stop. Everyone has said that this particular work that he has done is a signal services done towards the defense of the Constitution. Stop. The case of constitutional integrity has been admirably served by this gentleman by unearthing and revealing all these facts. Stop. Before I would deal with the facts and come to the point, I would like to say that listening to the minister, I felt extremely disappointed. Stop. Para. The first half page of his statement add up to nothing else but a summary of the constitutional position and the provisions with which we are quite familiar. Stop. Everyone knows them. Stop. The substantial part of his statement comes in para 3, in which the government of India has virtually justified and agreed in whatever has been done. Stop. This is not a matter in which parties are involved. Stop. This should not be made a matter of partisan or political recrimination or fault finding. Stop. None of the parties here can exclude itself with regard to what has been happening